Okay, go. Oh, my finger. Whatever. Hurry up, they're gonna fall. Must wear goggles at all times. Even if you're a bystander or just watching, goggles at all times. You're missing? Or you're shooting right through it. It's either you're shooting right through it or you're missing.
Yeah, with the BB guns. There's the target. Wait, don't shoot. Put it on safety mode. Look at all these holes right here. Okay.
Oh, shit, I mean like...
Oh.
Over there, and then throw it over here.
Do not shoot me.
Okay, go. I thought it won't blow up instantly, so...
I heard it hit the first time. Oh, you okay?
Are you serious? Is it not blowing up?
No more.
There's a balloon there. Guess I want to freaking pop.
Holy shit.
Finally. Don't point that at me. Yeah. Hey! I never knew a balloon was that strong. Like, look what it did to this.
Look at the one at the bottom.
Look at this. And then the balloon takes like 1 billion shots to blow up. I don't understand. Here's playing with my gun. Yeah. Put it on automatic mode. Hey, you gotta turn the wheel. I think he shot it.
Can't tell sometimes.